Hey guys, we're live at 5:51 p.m. Eastern Time, and we're running a final mini for Sven's AFA 85 Amanaman. 10 spots here that I'm going to copy and take up at a random. Top 5 win spots in the main on this one. Paste them in there, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice, got to get at least a 5 for action. We got a 6er. So we're good to begin. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Bill in the top spot for our first round with number 2. And round 2. Joe takes round 3. And round 4 with number 8. Josh in the top spot for our next to last round, round 5 with number 3, if I recall correctly, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, and our winners are Joe, Bill, Alex, Josh, and Alex. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. Make it legit. LXBGUJ. There they are. Now that that's settled, I'm done at 5:52 p.m. There it is. One last time, here's our results. Congratulations, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks.